Okay, interestingly, this is a different BSA than the one that I just worked on in the previous video. It's actually sitting over here, ready for a test ride. And we thought we'd do that tomorrow morning, so we're going to work on this bike for a little while now. Client said he just couldn't get it started, kicked and kicked and kicked and kicked. We haven't tried yet, but we're going to give it a try. We're going to kick it a few times and see if we can get it to start, and if not, see what we think is wrong. Okay, so I'm going to let Kevin start kicking. Okay, all tickled, ignition on. Let's see if it'll start at all. Okay. Nope, that's two kicky wickies. Okay, won't idle. Wait, start it again, just see if we can warm it up long enough to let it idle. Doesn't sound good, sounds uneven. Let it idle. Keep it idle. Let it die. Yeah. Okay, so it needs some adjusting. We'll go through the pilot jet cleaning and check the idle settings, and sounds a little rough. Let's see what we see when we get into the carburetor. Well, that sounds a whole lot better. Cleaned the pilot jet, balanced the carb, balance the carb cables, set the idle, set the mixture. It sounds really good. Let's double check the oil. Yeah, good oil flow. Might turn it down just a little bit. As soon as I find the spot. Comes off idle very nicely. I'd say let's call her done. Okay, that sounds good. Sounds very nice. We're going to call her done.
Yeah, let's.
Interestingly, we have two BSA A65 Lightnings to test ride right now. This is the one that came in hard to start. We cleaned the pilot jets, set the idle mixture, set the idle speed. Basically, it starts up just fine right now, so we're going to call it done. Okay, happy duty? Good.
Accelerates well, shifts well, up and down, brakes work fine. She's good.
All right, we're gonna call her done.